If you want to understand politics but really don't want to start with reading a history textbook, I would recommend Animal Farm for you. I have seen many creators on this app recommending this book for people who wants to start small but get into the classics arena. So I thought I'll give you my 2 cents on it. This is one of those books that becomes even more powerful when you understand the history behind it. This was written by George Orwell during the wake of Russian Revolution in 1917, when Bolsheviks, a political party led by Lenin and Trotsky, overthrew the Tsar Nicholas II, who was a very oppressive ruler. After Lenin's death, Stalin took power, and George Orwell saw how a revolution that was meant for equality turned into yet another oppressive totalitarian regime. Once you read the book and once you understand the history, you can clearly see the parallels between the characters in the book and the political figures of that time. And to be perfectly candid, you can also see the parallels of what's written in the book and what's happening presently all across the world. And to be honest, it's very bone chilling. That said, you don't really need to have a very deep history knowledge to understand the book. He wrote the book with the intention of reaching normal people like you and me. And the choice of using animals instead of humans, I think, was purposeful to create the distance between us and the characters so that we can see what is happening without the political sentiments getting in the way. George Orwell's another book, 1984, goes much deeper into totalitarianism. But I would recommend you start out with Animal Farm mainly because it's just 100 pages. And I think he has perfectly encapsulated how power corrupts and how our memory is manipulated. And moreover, how gradual change can be invisible until it's too late. And I assure you, you will see parallels of what's happening currently in our world. I mean, it stood the test of time and it is called a classic for a reason.